Okay, folks, we are going to review lesson number 11 quiz, and which is on distracted driving. And let's take a look here. So, to obtain your MV285, what is the minimum number of hours total that you need to spend behind the wheel? The answer is behind the wheel, minimum 6. Okay, very good. 24 in total, 6 need to be behind the wheel. Okay. The other 18 is up to you and your parents how you'd like to do it. Number 2, if you choose to spend the minimum number of hours behind the wheel, what is the minimum number of hours that you need to spend in observation to obtain the MV285 certificate? The answer will be 18. Oh, why does it say 10? I'm sorry, guys. Let me check this out. If you choose to spend the minimum number, what is the minimum number of hours that you need to spend in observation? It will be 18. So 6 plus 18 makes 24. I'm changing that right away. 10 is not correct. I don't know why it said that. So disappointing. Okay. Okay. Okay, what is the minimum number of hours that you need to spend in behind the wheel and in observation to obtain the MV285? It is 24. Good. That's correct. Number 4, what is the maximum number of minutes that you can spend in either behind the wheel or in observation per date to obtain, per any one date to obtain the MV285 certificate? It's 90 minutes, right, in total. So, okay, 90 minutes. That's the maximum number of minutes I can give you credit for per any one date. Okay, number 5, what is the minimum number of drives that you must do in order to obtain the MV285 certificate? It is 16. That's the minimum number. Okay, which of the following is not a type of distraction? Okay, we have visual, we have academic, we have cognitive, we have manual. Our answer is academic. That is not one of our distractions. That would fall under cognitive. So if we had some issue with, academics and we're upset because of a grade, for example, that would all fall under cognitive. Okay. Any type of emotional response is going to fall under cognitive. Okay, which of the following distractions involves 3 types of distractions mentioned in number 6, where you're talking about texting and driving? Okay, first one. Okay, number 8, true or false? Each day in the United States, about 9 people are killed and more than 1,000 are injured in crashes reported to involve a distracted driver. That is true. Okay, so that's true. Number 9, which form of distraction is the most common cause of teen driver crashes? It is not cell phone use. It is interacting with one or more passengers. Should be the first one right here. Let's make sure. Yeah, okay, that's the first one. And then number 10, where I'm going to have to put an answer in. Can't believe this. The situation when you are distracted and cannot recognize potential hazards. Okay, so we can't use SIPD because we're in a distracted situation. Interacting with one or more passengers. Inattention blindness. Peripheral vision impairment. Central vision dependency. Okay, if we're interacting with one or more passengers, we cannot recognize potential hazards. Also, inattention blindness, and we don't have an answer for that. Okay, so I'm going to actually take out one of these. I'm going to take out this one and do inattention blindness as our answer for this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so our bonus, the I in SIPD stands for identify. And the M in SMOG stands for mirrors, checking our mirrors. Okay. Remember in SIPD, just to review, SIPD is search, identify, predict, decide, and execute, right? This is the foundation for defensive driving, the foundation for being a great driver, really the foundation for our roads becoming safer is you applying this consistently every time you drive. Okay. And we can't do it if we are in a distracted driving situation. Okay. Okay. The M in smog stands for mirrors. Remember, this is when we're making lane changes. It's when we're pulling out into traffic from a curb. Okay, so we're going to signal. First, we have to make sure the car's in gear, right? We're going the right way. And then we're going to signal with our indicator. And we're going to look in our rear view mirror and on the side mirror where we intend to go. Then we're going to observe with a head check. It means bringing our chin over to our shoulder and looking out and looking for anything in our blind spot. Okay, and then go if there was nothing coming in our mirrors and nothing in our blind spot. Okay. And then the penalty for using a handheld device while driving is 5 points. Okay. All right. And that's our review. So I apologize for number 10. It should be working now. And that's the end of our review for this. Okay. So I'm going to shut that down. Remember, always thank a veteran. If you recognize a veteran, always thank your veterans for their service. It's the right thing to do. And always apply SIPD and drive safely.